Good morning, welcome back. Happy Monday, you guys. My camera is flashing red, so I should probably change that. Much better. Let's try this again. Camera battery has been changed. Good morning, you guys. What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Welcome to day 3 of vlog week, which means if you missed day 1 or 2, go back and watch it before you watch this video. I treated myself to a little Starbucks this morning because I had money on my account, so you know, in my head I didn't really have to spend money to get this because I already spent the money to put the money on the card. This is a iced coffee with 2 pumps of vanilla and vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Super delicious, my favorite order. I've been getting it for years now and I am absolutely obsessed. Sorry if you can hear the heater, it decided to turn on, shocker. This happens in every video and I say that in every video, so that's also probably annoying. I have a meeting in 15 minutes, so I wanted to depuff my face before it so I don't look like a little gremlin. Guys, my ice roller has gotten so squeaky, it's actually ridiculous. Listen to that. It's pretty annoying actually that it's squeaky. But yeah, I spent the night in Williamsburg last night, as you guys saw. Watched the Oscars, hung out, and then I made my way back to my apartment this morning to work. It's kind of nice when I do that because it's like a little commute. Like I have to wake up at a certain time in order to get to my apartment to work, and it's like commuting to an actual office and kind of prepares me for when I go into the office later this week, which I'm really nervous about, but you gotta do what you gotta do. The pandemic is, I guess, kind of sort of ending. So we have to go back to reality, whatever that means. Yeah, like I said, I commuted from Williamsburg this morning. I plan on having a pretty productive morning. Brought my stuff to drop off at the post office, you know, do the whole thing, knock out a few things while I was already out and about this morning. And come to find out, the post office doesn't open until 9 a.m., which in my mind is slightly absurd. And that's just like how my mind works, which is kind of a selfish thought. For some reason, I just feel like offices such as like the post office, the doctor's office, things that are like essential for people should be open outside of the regular 9 to 5 hours, because if everyone else is working 9 to 5, how are we supposed to get things done if we're working? Does that make any sense? Like, did that even sound like English? I'm just saying, like, if the post office is only open 9 to 5 and I work 9 to 5, like how, and it's not open on the weekends, how could I possibly go to the post office if it's only open during the hours that I work as well? I just really feel like it should be open 7 to 6 or 8 to 6. And I don't know if that's a selfish thought, but that just is what makes the most sense in my head, because I walked all the way to the post office this morning and it was closed, which was my own fault because I should have looked at the times, but I really just assumed that the post office would be open before 9 a.m., like at least 8 a.m., and it wasn't. So that was slightly absurd. Wasn't able to drop off my package, which means I have to go back out later today. And it is so cold outside. What's the temperature? Let's check. 25 degrees. What happened to spring? I'm just confused. Last week it was 60 degrees, today it's 25 degrees. I could barely hold my coffee this morning, it was so freaking cold. And I'm just like, I'm gonna have to break out the Aritzia puffer jacket again. I'm like, what happened? It was literally 60 degrees, 65 degrees last week and sunny. And now it's freaking 25 degrees and it was snowing last night. Like, let me know. Let me know how that works. And I'm not here for it. I don't enjoy it. I'm not having a good time. I just want the weather to be warm, the sun to be out, and to go on some hot girl walks. Is that too much to ask for? I really don't think so. Mother Nature needs to get it together. Okay, I just spent the last like 3 hours, not even, it's really dramatic, 2 hours working, and I'm getting ready to make a little breakfast. Vlogging in here because the lighting is better in here, I just realized. I vlog in this kitchen literally so much, even though I always complain about the lighting. It just is what it is. But I'm gonna make a little yogurt bowl. You guys know the drill. I am actually obsessed with this yogurt bowl that I've been making lately, and I feel like it's somewhat good for you because it has like protein, fruit, and what is the thing that yogurt has in it that you don't get from anything else? Oh, probiotics, right? Or prebiotics? But I don't know if dairy-free yogurt has that. I don't know. This is just what I hear from the internet. Primarily Tik Tok, if I'm being honest. Someone can fact check me. Siggy's plant-based coconut blend. Y'all already know the drill. I'm sorry if you're tired of hearing about this exact same combo. I just live the same life every single day. What can I say? I'm a gal that loves a good routine. I was gonna add bananas to it, but the bananas that I got from the Amazon Fresh haul the other day are staring at me, and they kind of low-key look like sus. Like they're not turning the color that they're supposed to turn. They're just going from green to brown. I knew the second that I got those, you guys saw my reaction when I got those from Amazon Fresh, that they looked a little weird. So maybe I'll try to add it, but I don't know. Final result, the banana ended up being fine, thankfully. And I'm really excited to eat this because I'm very hungry. Switched up the work setup and I'm currently working at my kitchen table. I've been doing this a lot lately because I can only sit at my desk in my room for literally so long before I feel a little crazy or like have ants in my pants, so I like to switch it up periodically throughout the day. I'm sure I'll end up on that chair in the corner that's like literally staring at me right now at some point today, but I feel like I'm more productive at a table, so I'm trying to stay here for as long as possible. I have a meeting in 25 minutes. I was just like responding to emails, you know, the basic work stuff that we have going on here. I was also taking a look at the stuff that I have due for school this week. I have a little bit more due than last week. I have the discussion post, which is the same as last week, but I also have a rough draft of a project that's due at the end of this course due this week. So I definitely want to prioritize that and get it done, especially since I'm going into the office this week. I'm going into the office at some point. I haven't really decided a specific day yet, but I kind of just have to rip the band-aid off and go this week. I didn't go last week like I was supposed to due to some reasons, so I actually have to go this. Okay, calm down. When people buzz my door like that, I'm like, are you okay? Like, why? For what? That literally made me lose my train of thought. I hate when people buzz my door like that. Like, just buzz it once. I'll let you in. And I know what it is, the package that I need to go downstairs and pick up in a second. But back to what I was saying before, I'm going into the office at some point this week, so I'll miss out on a day of like schoolwork that I could do. So I want to make sure that I really prioritize my schoolwork this week and figure out a good day to kind of start it and get it all done. The first assignment's due Thursday and the next assignment is due Sunday. So I have a little bit of time, but honestly these days kind of get away from me sometimes, and these weeks kind of get away from me sometimes, and before you know it, it'll be Thursday and I won't have my assignment drafted. So just want to make sure that I kind of get everything aligned before my week really gets started. I typically use Mondays to play catch up, plan out my week, get things situated, so that is what I'm currently doing before I jump on this meeting in a minute. And I clearly need to go downstairs and get a package now so that no one steals it. Also, just because the delivery driver was a little bit much there. The only good part about the fact that it is 20 degrees outside again is the fact that I can wear my Uggs, because these are like by far the comfiest shoes. Are they basic? Yes. But are they literally so warm? Also yes. And I have on a big chunky sweatshirt. This is from Princess Polly. I'll have a link down below. By far my favorite sweatshirt. Anytime it's cold outside, I reach for the sweatshirt. Also just because it's like work appropriate, so I can wear it on calls. I'm getting ready to attempt another go at the post office. It's 4 o'clock now. I'm done with meetings for the day, and I haven't taken a break, like a lunch break or anything, so I'm gonna use now, turn to the post office, and then come back here and then finalize everything that I have to do for the day. But I'm actually kind of glad that I didn't go to the post office earlier, because I got another thing in the package from earlier and I need to return one of the tops because it doesn't fit. So I want to exchange it for a bigger size. It's a bikini top. And I know I talked about this in another vlog, but I'm going to be doing like a new updated 2022 bikini haul soon. So they're all coming in and I have to exchange some of the sizes. So both packages going to the post office today are bikinis that I need to get either a bigger size or a smaller size. So I'm getting ready to go do that. I'm using the vlog to procrastinate because I am not ready to step outside again and freeze. I need to wear like hats, gloves, and my Aritzia puffer. I'm just confused by the weather. Why is this happening? bit later, finished my USPS run. It was open, thankfully, so I was actually able to drop off the packages this time, which is great. And I'm off of work. It is 5:50 now, so I'm just kind of hanging out. I decided not to go to the gym today because I'm literally so sore still from my core body class. What is it called? I keep calling it core body. Why do I keep calling it core body? Solid core class on Saturday, guys. I'm not going to shut up about it because it's 2 days later and I still like can barely move. That's how good it was. But I got some shoes in the mail and I wanted to share them with you guys. I also got another pair the other day that I haven't shared. Both are from Steve Madden. I'm on a Steve Madden kick lately. I don't know what it is, but their shoes I just think are so cute, and they have shoes for every occasion. So the shoes that I got in the mail today are these really cute little, are these called mules, like the short heel with the clear strap. I have a few pieces in my spring collection that I'm going to be sharing in a spring haul soon that I thought would be really cute with heels, but I never wear any of my heels because I don't know why, but I always buy like the really tall heels and I never thought to buy the shorter heels, especially for the city walking around. And I just tried these on and they are literally so flattering and so comfortable and the perfect height for me. I think they have these in black and white also. I'm really tempted to buy the other colors, but know that that's probably not realistic and I would just at that point be splurging unnecessarily. But I wanted to share these because they are literally to die for. So cute. I love the little clear strap, and like I said, they're comfy to walk around in the city in. I walked around in my apartment in them for like 30 minutes and my feet weren't even sore, and like this is kind of cushioned, so perfect heel. I'll have these linked down below. And the second pair that I got from Steve Madden are fun. Are you guys prepared for this? I'm so sorry, but I had to hop on the trend. Look at how freaking cute these cowboy boots are. I'm sorry, but these are stunning. I already have so many outfit ideas to wear these in the city, and will I get looked at? Possibly, but am I still gonna wear them? Absolutely. I think that these are gonna be so cute with like little summer dresses or little black dresses or even like shorts and a long sleeve shirt or shorts and a tank top. I just think that these are like so fun and so worth the money. Also, similar to the heels, they're very, very comfortable to walk around in. I walked around in my apartment in them and I'm very surprised. The inside is kind of padded and the sole is pretty padded too. Like the bottom of the shoe is pretty padded. So I'm very excited to wear these this summer and like style them with some fun outfits. I know that they're very trendy right now, but I could see myself wearing these for like many, many years. So figured I'd pick up a pair while I could find my size. I'll also have these linked down below. I've been on a shoe kick lately with purchasing shoes. It's a problem, but it's also why I need to fix my closet so I can put more shoes in there because right now they're just thrown everywhere and it's not ideal. So I ordered a shoe rack from Amazon. It's supposed to come in tomorrow. So in tomorrow's vlog, day 4 of vlog week, you guys will see me put together the shoe shelf and put it in the closet and hopefully like organize my closet a little bit better, because it's a hot mess right now. Once that comes in, we'll be able to organize it. But for now, I've literally just had all of my new shoes in boxes either beside my bed or on my bed. All right, I'm attempting to make a little dinner. I say attempting because we've had a rough start. I forgot to thaw the chicken this morning, so I had to figure out a safe way to quickly thaw chicken, and now it's taking forever to cook, but besides the point. I'm also making garlic and herb cauliflower rice. I've been loving this. This is the package that I get. It's from Wegmans, obviously. I have had a hard time cooking cauliflower rice in the past, and it was just because it was very bland and plain. But I really like this kind because it adds a little bit of flavor to it, and then I just add salt in the pan. Super easy. You just add 1 tablespoon or like 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is the olive oil that I get from Trader Joe's. Then you add the rice into the pan. This is the Always pan. It's my favorite thing ever. And go from there, and it takes like 5 to 7 minutes to cook. So while I'm finishing up cooking, or de-thawing should I say, the chicken that's in the oven, I am attempting to cook this rice. Final result doesn't really smell that great, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, so we shall see how this ends up.